शिक्षण हा माणसाच्या यशाचा, प्रगतीचा, विचारांचा आणि कृतीचा एक महत्त्वाचा मापदंड. सर्वसाधारण आयुष्य जगत असताना माणसाच्या जीवनात अनेक व्यवस्था खूप महत्त्वाच्या असतात आणि त्यातली एक म्हणजे शिक्षण व्यवस्था. कोविड महामारीमुळे जगाला अनेक बदलांना सामोरं जावं लागलं आणि त्याला शिक्षण क्षेत्र अपवाद ठरूच शकत नव्हतं. आपला भारत देश जागतिक महासत्ता होण्याच्या दृष्टीनं विचार करत असताना भविष्यातील ऑनलाईन शिक्षणाच्या कल्पना कोविडमुळे फार वर्ष आधीच प्रत्यक्षात आणाव्या लागल्या. अचानक उद्भवलेल्या ह्या परिस्थितीमुळे सरकारसमोर, शिक्षण संस्थांसमोर अनेक प्रश्न वाचून उभे राहिले. मात्र अनेक शिक्षण संस्थांनी ह्या अडचणीचा आणि समस्यांचा बाऊ न करता मुलांना ऑनलाईन शिक्षण चांगल्या प्रकारे कसे देता येईल यावर आपली सर्व शक्ती पणाला लावली आणि त्यात ते यशस्वीही झाले. अशीच गोव्यातल्या अंत्रुज अर्थात फोंडा तालुक्यातील एक नामवंत शिक्षण संस्था गुरुकुल शिक्षण अकादमी.
Now, I would like to request the chief guest of the day to please say a few words on these occasions to motivate our children. Dr. Ketan Bhatikar sir, please take the stage.
My special thanks to Madam Bharti Jadhav. Amazed by the work done, and special congratulations to all the teachers there. Silent clapping or loud clapping, whatever it is, you deserve the best, because the topic selected by every one of you and the way it has been presented has literally shocked me and appalled me, I would say. And salutations to all of you, because even in this pandemic, how to motivate, and best part was the progressive learning, because education is not about reading, writing. Education is about learning, understanding. And at this age, if you can understand the importance of forest, the importance of double trekking, good or bad, the importance of how Mahadahi will help us, or if Mahadahi is not there, how it will destroy us, about the wildlife, about the Mollem sanctuary, about the species, about the windmill especially, amazingly presented, about how Tulsi helps, and all about the Kalsa Bandura project and all. And I would say this is what is evidence-based learning. When you learn properly, you can write properly. When you read properly, you can speak properly. And it can only happen when the teachers take an extra interest without giving reasons about pandemic. I think amazing teachers, amazing heads off to the institute, to the directors, and especially Bharati ma'am. I think keep going this way, and all the kids and all the parents, especially at this time also supporting your children and the way they have presented, my respect and salutations.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. It is indeed an honor to have you with us today. In spite of your busy schedule, you have taken time and come here to encourage my students and the teachers. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for gracing the occasion for your words of motivation to our children.
We have with us Dr. Manoj Kamath sir also. I think I have seen him. He was there. I welcome you, Manoj sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, welcome to this online project day. This is the first time that my students are presenting online, and it was very nice that you have come to appreciate their performance. Thank you. Please stay on and just see how our students are presenting themselves. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
माननीय महोदय, निदेशक और सभी दर्शकों का इस प्रकल्प के शुभ अवसर पर मैं सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। विषय को ध्यान में रखते हुए अध्यापिका शालिनी, अध्यापिका रिहाना और 7वीं कक्षा के बच्चों ने विषय को ध्यान में रखकर जानकारी इकट्ठा करने का प्रयास किया है। हमने इसमें 3 समुदाय बनाए हैं। हमारा जो मुख्य विषय है उसका नाम है लाइफलाइंस ऑफ गोवा। इसमें बच्चे हमें मौलम तथा महादाई से संबंधित जानकारी देंगे। हमारा जो दूसरा समुदाय है वो गोवा में स्थित ऐतिहासिक स्मारकों के बारे में बताएंगे और हमारा जो तीसरा समुदाय है वह आपको विंडमिल से संबंधित जानकारी देगा। तो मैं यशस्वी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि दर्शकों को वह आगे की जानकारी दे। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Yashasvi Naik. Today, myself and my team members, Aditya Poti, Shravani Mani, Shreyash Bhatt, Shaurya Parte, Parth Patil, Sairam Narvekar, and Suesha Abhisheki will tell you about the lifelines of Goa. Before I start with the topic, on behalf of our team, I welcome the respected Board of Directors, Bharti Jadhav Madam, Ajay Jadhav Sir, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Now, we will continue with the topic. As you know, that the lifeline of Goa is River Mandavi. The Mahadi Wildlife Sanctuary and the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary, including the Molam National Park, all fall within the Mahade River Basin.
Good morning, everyone. The students of class 3 are going to present their project day topics. We have 3 groups. Out of that, 1 is online and 2 are offline. As the students were facing network issues, so we tried to present their topics through offline. The topics of class 3 are: first, safety rules at home; second, sense organs; third, medicinal plants and their uses. And the teacher in charge are myself, teacher Sonali, teacher Sweetie, and teacher Meera. So now here comes our first group with the topic safety rules at home.
Hello everyone, heartily welcome to the project day of Gurukul Academy, Honda. Myself, Sayakul. I am studying 3rd class. Our project topic is safety rules at home. My friends are Anika, Poonam, Gauran, Arush, Siddhant, Ayan, and Shirisha. Thank you. Hello friends. My name is Anika Kuvelkar and I am studying in Standard 3. Home is a safe place for us, but we can get hurt at home too. Some rules should be followed at home. These rules are called safety rules. We should follow safety rules all the time. Let us see which are those. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Gaokar. We must not play with a sharp object like blade, knife and scissor. They can cut our skin. We must use them carefully. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arush Biradar. I'm studying in 3rd standard. We should not touch electric wires, electric plug, hot iron and electric heaters with wet hands. They can give us an electric shock. Do not play with such gadgets. Thank you.
Hello, myself Kaurak. We must put back our toys after we finished playing. We must not leave toys on the floor. We may get fall over then get hurt. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Pote. Always keep a first aid box for emergency. First aid means the immediate help given to an injured person. We use it for minor injuries such as cuts, burns, bleeding or dressing any other wound. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ayanada. We take medicine when we are sick. Never take medicine on your own. That need to be given some unknown person as it can be affect our health. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shisha from 3rd standard. Do not turn on the gas on your own. Do not play with the matchsticks as me by yourself. So now that all of you know which are the safety rules that should be followed at home, make sure that you follow them always and be safe at home. Thank you.
ऑनलाईन शिक्षण हे मुलं, शिक्षक आणि पालक या तिघांच्या सहभागाशिवाय यशस्वी होऊ शकत नाही. ऑनलाईन शिक्षणाच्या प्रयत्नांना गुरुकुलमधील मुलांच्या पालकांचीही तेवढीच साथ मिळते.
I am Sakshi's parent. It is really a unique idea of making the online project which was all these years done offline. I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by teachers and students to make it possible. I am feeling very proud to say that my child is going to talk about historical places in this project. She has really put her efforts to give her best. It is a good opportunity for every child to be part of this project. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Hi, this is Manjeri Viradar. It was a wonderful experience about the project day of the Gurukul Academy. By this online presentation, kids has improved their skills and their confidence levels. Thanks to all teachers and staff of Gurukul Academy that they explore their Gurukulans. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shraddha Khanolkar, mother of Shonish Khanolkar, studying in class 4 of Gurukul Academy, Ponda, Goa. I'm extremely pleased to witness how Gurukul Academy is putting efforts in maintaining the tempo of quality education even during this difficult pandemic scenario. Every year, Gurukul Academy conducts Project Day, where students participate in exhibiting their various projects in front of parents, teachers, guests, which gives them confidence and a good hold on the various concepts they learn in school. I thought this time it won't be possible, but hats off to their hard work. It has paid off. It's nice to see that the project day is finally happening this time online. I thank all the teachers, staff, and the management of Gurukul Academy for striving for the overall development of our kids, even during this stagnant phase. Thank you.
I am Mohan Gowde, father of Master Kartavya Gowde. In regards to the project day of Gurukul School, I would like to say a few words. First of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teachers of the Gurukul School for organizing such a wonderful functions. By organizing such a functions, students are getting opportunities to present themselves in front of audience, by which their self-confidence enhance. So also the stage fears which are in the minds of the students goes away. So I request all the teachers of Gurukuls to arrange such a programs in near future so that all the students of the Gurukul will be the good speaker in future. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. This is Vallabha Kudravalli. Nishchal Kshatraveera Kudravalli is my son. He's studying 4th grade in your Gurukul Academy. I wish you and all your loved ones are healthy and happy. I appreciate all the teachers wholeheartedly for your wonderful efforts to keep teaching through innovative ways during these challenging times. Thank you for that. The concept of Project Day is good. It brings out oratory skills and reduces inhibitions in kids. I wish you come up with more such concepts and fieldworks that would enhance their skills more. We would be more than happy to be a part of your efforts to teach them and would gladly assist you in finding more such methods and topics to enhance their interest in learning. Thank you once again.
Dream project, I should say, which is going to be conducted online for the first time, and the endless efforts, I should say, which has been taken by all the teachers and the students, the practice sessions which have been conducted every day. So a dream come true by all the teachers and all the students. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Hello. Gurukul School's Project Day concept is very nice for children because it increases the knowledge about the subject. And I should say that it is very important because children are doing it by themselves and teachers are also doing hard work for that. So all the best for Project Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dharajit Naik. I am a Gurukul parent. Today I am very delighted just to see that our children are presenting their respective project with the help of the technology by their own. This is something remarkable to see that the Gurukul James are presenting their display of hard work in such a wonderful manner. This is something of its own kind. I think no other secondary school might have carried out such type of activity ever before. For this, the credit goes to the team of the teachers, the management, and the little gems of Gurukul in particular. There is one more reason to cheer, because I have seen my daughter and some of other children growing here for last almost 10 years. I have seen this school growing from little seedling to a tree, and the fruits of this tree are our children, who are maturing day by day. Here, I take an opportunity to thank the management, especially the Bharti madam, who has been a diligent all the time, and because of her efforts, the teaching team has been able to bring out the best talent from all the students. Such kind of activities has given a boost to the children. As a result, their self-confidence is at high. The stage fear is almost not visible. They are being self-motivated. Their communication skill is improved. Their thinking skill has also been improved. And they have gained knowledge of technical skills, meaning how to present themselves through media. This is indeed a great achievement. That's it for now. I thank all the teachers for their commendable job and congratulate all the students for their wonderful display of hard work. Thank you all.
ह्या वर्सा आमी आमच्या गुरुकुल अकॅडमी स्कुलान प्रोजेक्ट दीस मनयता आनी हो दीस सगळ्यां खातीर उमेदीचो आसता. तर गेलीं 2 वर्सां अंदूचें वर्स आनी गेल्लें वर्स आमच्या खातीर खूब कठीण आशिल्लें. गेल्या वर्सा हो कोरोना पॅन्डेमीक आमच्या खातीर नवीन आशिल्लो. ताका लागून आमकां कांय कळून आयलें ना आनी आमी आमचो प्रोजेक्ट डे गेल्ल्या वर्सा केलो ना. पूण ह्या वर्सा आमी एक चॅलेंज अशी समजून हो प्रोजेक्ट डे मनोवपाचो थारायलो आनी सगळ्यांनी विचार करून हो प्रोजेक्ट डे आमी आयज हांगा घडोवन हाडलो. खऱ्यांनीच हो प्रोजेक्ट डे मनोवपा फाटलो हेत आशिल्लो तो म्हळ्यार भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन मेळचें, तांकां एक नवी उमेद दिवची आनी ह्या कठीण काळांत मुखार कशें वचचें, शिक्षणाच्या मळार उदरगत जावची आनी ह्या कठीण काळांत मुखार वचपाक भुरग्यांक वाट मेळची आनी भुरग्यांनी तोवूय सफल करून दाखयलो आनी भुरग्यांक एक नवी उर्बाय ह्या प्रोजेक्टांतल्यान हांगा मेळिल्ली आसा. I have joined recently in this school, and this project day has made me explore my skills, as well as it has given me one platform to see how the things go and to see how the students are talented. And it is one of the best opportunity I feel, and I have been doing this for the first time. And the objective behind this project day is to see the presentation skills of the children, as well as to see how much talent they have in themselves, and to explore their critical thinking skills.
हांव गुरुकुल अकॅडमीन प्री स्कूल टिचर म्हणून वावरतां. आमच्या स्कुलान प्री स्कूल टू टेंथ पर्यंत जायत्यो एक्टिविटीज जातात, आनी सद्या आमच्यो क्लासीस ज्यो आसात त्यो ऑनलायन चालू आसात, आनी भुरगीं आनी पेरंट्स आमकां खूब सपोर्ट करतात. आनी त्या खातीर आमी आतां संडेज आमच्यो ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर म्हणजे KG भुरग्यां खातीर आमी कुकींग एक्टिविटीजूय दवरलेली आसात. तशेंच आनी बाकीच्योय डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स आमच्यो आसात चालू, जशें की प्लांटेशन आनी वेरियस एक्टिविटीज हे तुमकां हांगा पळोवपाक मेळटले. सगळ्यात पयलीं म्हणजे जेन्ना पॅन्डेमीक सुरू जालो आमच्या खातीर आमी ऑनलायन क्लासीस स्टार्ट करपाच्यो अशें ठरयलें आमी. स्टार्टींग आमकां खूबच डिफिकल्ट आसलें, बट पेरंट्स आनी भुरग्यांनी आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केलो, आनी आतां आमी आमचे क्लासीस ऑनलायनूच दवरलेल्यो आसा आनी त्यो चालू आसा सद्या.
For Gurukul Academy, the project day is it's not just a small event. It's a more like a festival. So we have been doing it throughout. It's an annual event we host. So this right now, because of the pandemic, we faced some issues like the connectivity and all. But like it is always an inspiration comes from the director's desk. So where there is a problem, there is a solution, and we always work for that. For the teachers or the students, the network connectivity, somewhere the towers are there, internet is not there, but we try to overcome. Our students, they try to manage to come into the range, send their recorded videos. Even the teachers, they work very hard for this, for the project day, getting the content and all. Earlier it is to be looked out at, the education department, it was like very end it was coming to, we didn't knew when it is going to open. But for the teachers, the work was continuous throughout a year, and getting the content from the internet, or making the videos at home, getting adopted to this online teaching. That's where we are overcoming, and I'm very happy to say that today we are successfully hosted the event, and everything went very smoothly.
We today in Gurukul Academy, we are having an online project day. This is something special for us because first time we have organized this online. It is really a mind-blowing work which should be appreciated of my team. The Gurukul team, our teachers, they have worked really hard to put this presentation. In our school, from last year, we have started online education. As we have the regular classes, just like that, we are having our online class. Starting from physical education. Early in the morning at 8 o'clock, we start with our physical exercise. And then we give them a break of 40 minutes. After that, we have our regular classes. We have our class almost for 45 to 50 minutes, a regular class. And all whatever we were having in an offline class, that all we are conducting in an online class. Our children are really doing superb work along with our teachers. This pandemic has taught us a lot. We can say that we are learning a lot with this pandemic, to learn to survive. I would just like to end off saying that our director, Mrs. Bharti Jadhav and Ajay Jadhav, they have given us a platform for our teachers as well as me and all my staff. You can say that to present our talent in a different way. So this is all because of their support.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Gurukul Annual Project Day. this project day is very important because it is also called as research-based learning, wherein the children are able to demonstrate their skills as they are working independently. The teachers are able to understand the capabilities of every child as he is working with the group. And the teacher is able to engage the students in meaningful discussions and progressive learning with the students. And today we are trying to show you through this project day how it is possible to conduct such kind of activities even in online classes. Our teachers have allowed the students to choose their own topics, and they themselves have selected these topics, and with the help of their teachers and discussion with their group members, they have gathered the information from various resources, prepared their own presentation, and today you will see how every student is so confident and so comfortable using technology as they are presenting their topics in front of you online. The enthusiasm and the excitement of the students was so very encouraging to all the teachers as we were practicing with them for the project day. Of course, we faced a lot of challenges as we were working with the students. There were students who are living in remote areas of Ponda town where there is no proper network connectivity, where the network issues are prevailing. So for such kind of students, we have recorded their individual performances, and we have compiled it into a video form, which we are going to present it in a recorded version, which you are going to see today for this project day. So yes, this is one attempt to let you know that nothing can stop us if we put our heart and mind into anything that we take up.
Teachers, students, I am glad to see the project day take off from the children's home rather than the school premises this year. I thank the teachers for the hard work to get it done. Well done again. This year will be a remarkable year at Gurukul after completing 10 years. I thank the entire team for adapting to the need of the hour, that is online teaching and practice. The project day to complete online is a remarkable achievement. Keep doing the good job as educators. Thank you very much.
यंदा गुरुकुल शिक्षण अकादमीला 10 वर्ष पूर्ण झाली आहेत. सुसज्ज इमारत, इतर शैक्षणिक साधन सुविधा, अनुभवी आणि उत्साही शिक्षक वर्ग, काळानुरूप बदलांप्रमाणे मुलांच्या प्रत्येक गरजा आणि मागण्या पूर्ण करण्यासाठी सदैव तत्पर व्यवस्थापकीय मंडळ हे गुरुकुलच्या यशाचं गमक आहे. या 10 वर्षात गुरुकुल शिक्षण अकादमीनं मुलांच्या सहभागातून शिक्षण यावर भर देत मुलांच्या इतर कलागुणांनाही तेवढाच वाव दिलाय. कोविड काळातही गुरुकुल शिक्षण अकादमीनं यात खंड पडू दिलेला नाही, हे फार महत्त्वाचं.
We at Gurukul Academy have always advocated learning by doing, activity-based, and stressing more upon understanding of the concepts rather than rote learning. Our curriculum itself is activity-based. I really appreciate all my teachers, their effort, and I also thank all my parents for their continuous support and encouragement that they give us when we do things in school every time. Thank you so much.
10व्या वर्षी संस्थेपुढे आव्हान होतं ते कोविडशी 2 हात करत मुलांना ऑनलाईन माध्यमातून शिक्षण देणं. या कसोटीच्या कठीण प्रसंगीही संस्थेनं दर्जात्मक शिक्षण देत आपला नावलौकिक कायम ठेवलाय. आज गुरुकुलमध्ये फक्त फोंडाच नाही तर धारबांदोडा, सत्तरी, तिसवाडी या तालुक्यातील मुलं शिक्षण घेत आहेत. सरकारी अनुदान न घेता संस्थेचं शिक्षणदानाचं कार्य अविरत सुरू आहे. मुलं, पालक, शिक्षक आणि व्यवस्थापक या सर्वांच्या समान सहभागाने गुरुकुलमधील शिक्षणाचा भागीरथ अशीच दिमागदार वाटचाल चालू ठेवेल यात काहीच शंका नाही.